What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video here. I actually just recorded everything without recording. So we're gonna redo this unboxing that I just boxed back in. So I'm gonna box it right back out. It's actually kind of sad, but it doesn't matter. This is actually pretty exciting. So as you can see, it's already open because you just saw me put it all back in the box. Let's go ahead and take it out again. Here we have a power adapter. That's pretty big power adapter. What are we unboxing, you say? Well, let's see. We have the Unifi 8-port Lite switch, which is replacing my USW 16 PoE switch that was pretty big. So we're getting that out of the, actually it's already out of the office and sold, shipped off to whoever bought it. And this is replacing that. And right now my network is out of whack. Nothing wants to connect because I had to put just a different router, and now it's on a different network. So when I look for it on my phone, I can't find it because it's not going through that network and this and that and blah 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 blah. And my wife's like, why isn't everything working? And I was like, because I sold our switch and we're waiting for the new one, and it's finally here, already unboxed. So we're just re-unboxing it. So here's the power brick for it. Here's the wall mounting screws for it. Then we have cardboard for it. We have little instructions right here. We have a wall plate mount for it. And we have the switch, which comes nicely packed in this little bitty foamy thing, keeping it nice and safe. You know what I'm saying? It's so tiny. Look at this thing, so tiny. It's got 8 ports, 4 PoE, 4 regulars. It is the USW 8-port Lite. I didn't need the 16 port that I had, so I went ahead and just sold it, as I said earlier. And it stopped taking a lot of space in my closet. And this is what we replaced it with. It's less than half. The only thing I have going to be powering off for it right now is my USW Flex switch that I'm going to have in the living room. Right now it's in the closet that replaced the 16 port switch, which I connected a different router because I didn't have enough power to power my Unifi AP Pro. So that's why my network's out of whack, because it's on my ISP router, so that's on a different network, and I didn't feel like messing with it at the moment. I just wanted to wait for this to adopt it, get it in there, and then everything just magically come back together. Hopefully, as it should. But anyways, here's the switch again. Here's the back of it, a little port where the power plug plugs in. 1 through 4 has the PoE. Well, what comes out of after 4? 5. Duh. 5 through 8 is just regular ports. So this is the switch that is going to be replacing my 16 port humongous switch that the fan always turned on because it's probably hot inside my little closet. Probably gonna mount it on the wall. I'm gonna use this. So all you do is put this on the wall like this. You take this, put it like this, boom, on the wall, done. You don't have to measure the holes back here to get them right on the wall. Make sure you get the distance correct, because if you don't, you're out of luck. You just have to make more holes until you get it right. So with this one, you just screw this onto the wall. You already know where it's at. You do your little markings, boom, boom, boom. You can either have the ports facing up, or if you want, you can have the ports facing down, like that. Or if you want, you can probably even have it sideways. So let's see. Oh yeah, that. So you just push it hard and it clips right in. So it's in there really good that you can even have it sideways if you want. So you can either have it sideways on the wall, down on the wall, up on the wall, the other sideways on the wall, however you want it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this hooked up so that all our stuff can get back to working again, so I can AirPlay to everything and not have any issues, hopefully. So I want to thank you guys for watching this re-unboxing, because I unboxed it and recorded the whole thing, and so I had to redo it. And here we go. This is pretty exciting. This is very small. Look at this. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. It looks nice and everything. You could even use it on the desk if you want. Just boom, plug everything right in there. Boom, 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 boom. And you got gig networking switch. Yeah, so the switches are just 1 gig. That's it, which is pretty much all I need here at the house right now. And yeah. And yeah, and yeah, and yeah, and yeah. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit the bell notification button so that you know when another video is coming. I do have, what do I have next? I have one of those light beams. I have a nano beam. Maybe go ahead and unbox those, put a video out for those. Not 100% sure. If interested in what I have in my network right now. Right now I have the UMD Dream Machine Pro. Sorry about that. We'll need my network right here at the house. I also have an Edge Router 4 and an Edge Switch, which I might sell again because I bought them. I bought some last year and then I sold them, and then I bought them again, so then I'll probably sell them again. But be aware on that. I'll probably put a link in the description down below. I'll put an affiliate link here for this down in the description down below as well. Again, thank you guys for watching. Hit the subscribe button again, and then hit it again until it stays subscribed. I got mixed up. I wanted to say the like button. As long as the like button is blue, you're good to go. Hit the bell so you know, you'll be notified. Ding dong, new videos coming. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and have a great day, great night, great evening, whatever it is, where you're at. Peace.